Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple crochet flower in 5 minutes. Each petals 1 minute, so within 5 minutes we can make very easy the crochet flower. For this we need 4 ply yarn. Very small leftover yarn. We could use the leftover yarn as well. For this we need to make a magic ring. Right, here is the magic ring, and we need to make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, total 1 extra, that is 6. Okay, now we are going to pull this yarn tightly, and from the last stitch we'll make a slip stitch. Okay, here it is. This is the circle. Right, now 1, 2, 3 chain, yarn over from the same loop, 1 time double crochet, 2 time double crochet, and again 1, 2, 3 and just slip stitch. Look, this is the way we are going to make all these 5 petals. This is for the beginners only. Yes, the beginners can do this. 3 chain, grab the yarn, go from the same loop. Yes. Now just count the time. We are going to make within 5 minutes. 1, 2 and then 3, and this from the same stitch you make a slip stitch. Again next slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, pull the yarn, wrap it, and second time double crochet, 1, 2 and then 3, from the same loop slip stitch, 1, 2 and then 3, again 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then 1, 2 and then 3, again from the same loop slip stitch. Right, count the time. I said within 5 minutes we are going to complete this. How much time left? 1, 2 and just 3 chain. That's it. 3 chain, go from it, then pull the quickly. Do this. Need to keep that promise. Now finish it off, and thus this is finished. Look, of that before 5 minutes we have finished. Now going to cut the extra yarn. We completed before 5 minutes, and for decoration you could put some beads right like this. Yes, like this at the center you could do it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and for more small videos.